Hello everyone, and welcome to Tokyo Talk. I'm Mai.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're diving into the word incorporate. It's about adding something into a larger mix, right?
Exactly. To incorporate means to take something in and make it a part of a whole. We can incorporate ingredients into a recipe or ideas into a plan.
So you could incorporate new vocabulary into your daily conversation to improve language skills. That's a practical application.
That's a great example. For language learning, it's vital to incorporate regular study habits. What are your thoughts on incorporating new habits, Jack?
I think it's essential for growth. For instance, when I moved to Japan, I had to consciously incorporate Japanese customs into my daily routine. It's like learning a new system.
That makes sense. It's like when I'm learning a complex bebop piece on the piano, I have to incorporate new patterns and rhythms slowly. It takes discipline.
Discipline is key. In my field of AI research, we constantly incorporate new data and algorithms to refine models. It's an ongoing process of amelioration.
Jack just used the word amelioration. That means the act of making something better or improving it. So, incorporating new data leads to betterment of the AI models.
Precisely. And travelers often incorporate new experiences into their worldview, enriching their understanding of different cultures. Have you found that, Mai?
Absolutely. Each new cultural insight I incorporate helps me connect better with people. Now, incorporate has some close synonyms. How about integrate, Jack?
Good one. Integrate often implies a deeper blending, where different parts are combined to work together seamlessly, like integrating a new software module.
So, if you incorporate new features, you add them. If you integrate them, you make sure they work well with the existing system. For example, the team will incorporate feedback into the design.
And contrastingly, the new system will integrate data from multiple sources. What about include, Mai? That seems like another one that could be confusing.
Include generally means to contain something as part of a group or set. It doesn't necessarily imply the same level of blending as incorporate or integrate.
So, the tour package includes accommodation is different from the chef incorporates local spices into every dish. The spices become part of the dish's essence.
Exactly. And then there's absorb. This often suggests taking something in, perhaps more gradually, like a sponge absorbing water or a person absorbing new information.
Like how I'm trying to absorb all the nuances of Japanese keigo. It's a slow process. It's less about actively putting parts together and more about soaking it in.
That's a perfect way to put it. Speaking of incorporating things, I've been trying to incorporate more healthy recipes into my week, though my attempts at healthy desserts still need work.
Healthy desserts? That sounds like an ambitious project. Maybe you need to incorporate someone to share them with. Any luck on that front?
Still searching for the perfect ingredient for that recipe, Jack. Let's move to our review. Jack, could you start with a key phrase using incorporate?
Certainly. We need to incorporate customer feedback.
Meaning, we need to include customer suggestions and opinions and make them part of our product or service development.
Another one. She successfully incorporated her diverse experiences into her new role.
This implies she blended her various past experiences effectively to perform well in her new job. Now, for a contrast, Jack, use incorporate in a sentence.
The architect plans to incorporate a skylight into the roof design.
Okay, and a similar sentence with include. The house tour will include the newly renovated kitchen. Here, incorporate means the skylight becomes an integral part of the design. Include simply means the kitchen is one part of the tour.
That clarifies the distinction well. So listeners, try to incorporate these nuances into your English usage.
And that's all the time we have for today. Practice using incorporate, and we'll see you next time on Tokyo Talk.